Welcome. When a brand, classification, or VAT code you need is not available, you can send us a request. Go to the bottom of the matching column and fill in your request. Our Product Data Management Department will contact you by email. For now, to continue working, you leave this record open. Products with this record will not be processed. Click on the Next button at the top right. The product table appears with the overview of all the products you have made available to your customers. You find the translation table with your matchings over here. Go to No Matching Actions Required. Press the arrow in the right corner. The field expands. Click the link. Your matching proposal appears. To adjust your translation table, you click on the cross to remove the match. Now you can make a new match in the unmatched fields above. The adjustment is saved and applied to your product data file. Click on the Next button to go back to your product table.